Hello, Friday. This just came in the mail from Germany, from my friend TJ Trulli. Party Mucke mal anders. That means he, what's that mean? Party Mucke? Party music, mal different, nah? I don't know how to translate that. That's like half slang. This box came in from Germany today. It's for my daughter. She won a contest over there, like a carnival type contest. She dressed up, got 5th place, was featured in a newspaper the other day, and that's her prize. And I believe there's also something woodworking related in there, so we'll open it up later on and check it out. Just came back from the old house, the old shop up in Oklahoma City, about 20 minutes north. Spent all morning up in the old house painting, got the garage painted, got in the shop, the old woodworking shop, got all the peg boards out, these peg boards where I put the signs on there. Got that all de-installed and brought it home. Now here I'm working on this sign for the Newmans. This one goes to Tulsa, Oklahoma, only 2 hours away. We messed it up. The design was wrong. We went ahead and carved it because customer did not respond to our proofs. We took a chance and carved it, and it was sure enough needed some improvements or changes. So we remade it. We're gonna resend it. Apologies, but we are always in to make it right by our customers because our customer is king.
Where's my package?
Find your package.
Where is my package?
I'm gonna say it's over there. It's over there.
Is it in the box?
Yeah.
Is it in that one that's already open?
Well, walk over there and check it out.
In this one right here?
No, it's not that box.
To the left. Look to the left.
No, it's not that box. Not that box.
To the left. No!
That's it.
Did that say my name?
No, it's DJ Tree.
Juja.
Okay, yeah. And it's put on the ground and I'll open it up for you, okay? Philip?
Come here.
Can you hold the camera, Philip?
This. Could it be?
I gotta show Mama this.
Yeah, we're gonna take it down and show Mama, okay? Oh, this is nice. Look at that.
I have a pocket. No, I don't. Well, actually, yes, I do. I can put her.
www.holzverwandler.de.